What if I told you Neuralink is no longer the only game in town? Two new challengers have entered the brain chip race, and one of them claims to be even better. A Chinese company says it has surpassed Neuralink's technology, while a US competitor, backed by Saudi Arabia's futuristic city, Neom, is making big moves. Could this be the beginning of the next tech revolution? Stick around as we break down how these companies are competing, what this means for the future of brain-computer interfaces, and most importantly, which one might change humanity forever. The rise of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. For decades, the idea of connecting the human brain to computers seemed like pure science fiction, but today it's becoming a reality. Brain-computer interface BCI technology is advancing faster than ever, and the race to dominate this field is more competitive than anyone expected. Neuralink is no longer the only name in the game. Two major challengers, Neuroscience from China and Paralysis from the US, are making bold claims that could change the future of neuroscience, AI, and human evolution itself. Neuralink. Founded by Elon Musk in 2016, Neuralink has been a trailblazer in the brain-computer interface BCI sector, aiming to create a seamless link between the human brain and computers. In early 2024, the company achieved a significant milestone by implanting its first brain chip into a human patient, enabling the individual to control a computer mouse through thought alone. This groundbreaking procedure, a part of the precise robotically implanted brain-computer interface PRIME study, utilized advanced robotic systems to place ultra-thin electrodes into the brain's motor cortex. The initial success was followed by a second implantation in August 2024, further demonstrating the potential of Neuralink's technology to restore digital interaction capabilities for paralyzed individuals. However, the journey hasn't been without challenges. In February 2025, Neuralink faced regulatory hurdles when approximately 20 FDA employees reviewing the company's applications were dismissed, raising concerns about the oversight of its clinical trials. Despite these obstacles, Neuralink continues to push the boundaries of neurotechnology, striving toward a future where human cognition and artificial intelligence are intricately connected. Neuroscience. Emerging as a formidable contender in the BCI landscape, Chinese startup Neuroscience has made remarkable strides in advancing neurotechnology. The company has developed a flexible, minimally invasive brain chip system, boasting over 65,000 channels for recording and stimulating brain activity, surpassing previous technological benchmarks. In January 2025, Neuroscience announced two significant clinical trial achievements: real-time decoding of movement intentions and the translation of thoughts into Chinese speech for patients with brain injuries. These milestones were accomplished using their proprietary silk-based implantable flexible BCI technology, which earned recognition in MIT Technology Review's TR50 list. By enabling patients to control smart devices and communicate through thought alone, Neuroscience is not only challenging established players like Neuralink, but also positioning China at the forefront of the global BCI race. Paralysis. While Neuralink and Neuroscience have garnered significant attention, US-based Paralysis has been making substantial progress in the BCI field, bolstered by a strategic partnership with Saudi Arabia's Neom project, a visionary initiative aiming to build a technologically advanced city. This collaboration provides Paralysis with substantial resources to accelerate the development of its high data rate neural interfaces. Unlike its competitors, Paralysis focuses primarily on medical applications, striving to create devices that assist individuals with severe neurological conditions in regaining communication and motor functions. Their technology emphasizes scalability and practicality, aiming to integrate seamlessly into clinical settings. With the backing of Neom, Paralysis is poised to make significant contributions to the BCI industry, potentially transforming therapeutic approaches for neurological impairments and enhancing the quality of life for affected individuals. How do these companies compare? The ultimate brain chip battle: who's winning? The future of human intelligence is at stake, and three tech giants are fighting for the top spot in brain-computer interface BCI technology. But here's the catch: each one has a completely different strategy. Neuralink, Neuroscience, and Paralysis aren't just building brain chips, they're shaping the future of human evolution. Will Neuralink's AI-driven vision turn us into superhumans? Can China's Neuroscience outpace everyone with its bold technological claims? Or will Paradigmics, backed by Saudi Arabia's Neom, revolutionize medicine first? The competition is more intense than ever, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Let's break down how these companies stack up against each other, and why the winner of this race could change the world forever. Neuralink uses ultra-thin, flexible electrodes, called threads, implanted directly into the brain, allowing precise neuron interaction. It focuses on high-bandwidth communication between humans and AI. Neuroscience, on the other hand, claims to have superior electrode technology with over 65,000 channels for better brain signal capture, potentially providing more accurate results. Paradigmics differs by prioritizing high data rate neural interfaces, focusing on medical applications rather than direct human-AI integration. Neuralink envisions a future where humans merge with AI, aiming to enhance cognitive abilities alongside medical treatments. Neuroscience appears to follow a similar path, but with a focus on minimally invasive techniques. Paradigmics, however, is purely medical focused, working on solutions to help people with paralysis and speech impairments regain lost functions rather than enhancing healthy individuals. Neuralink has the advantage of Elon Musk's financial backing and global influence, helping it secure regulatory approvals and attract top talent. Neuroscience benefits from strong Chinese government support, ensuring rapid development with fewer regulatory hurdles. Paradigmics, with the backing of Saudi Arabia's Neom, has the potential for massive funding, but it remains focused on assistive applications rather than broad consumer integration. While Neuralink is pushing for mass market applications, its invasive nature raises concerns about surgical complexity and long-term safety. Neuroscience claims to have a more flexible and minimally invasive system, potentially making it easier for widespread adoption. Paradigmics' approach is highly specialized, focusing on hospital settings and rehabilitation centers rather than consumer markets. Despite Neuralink's early lead, both Neuroscience and Paradigmics are advancing rapidly. Whether the future of BCIs will be dominated by AI integration, medical solutions, or a combination of both remains to be seen. The race is far from over. As exciting as BCIs sound, they come with serious ethical and safety concerns. Implanting chips in the brain is a risky procedure, and complications such as infections, immune system rejection, and potential brain damage are major concerns. Additionally, data privacy is a looming issue. Who owns and controls the data recorded from a human brain? Could a BCI be hacked? The rapid development of this technology has outpaced regulations, raising questions that must be answered before BCIs become mainstream. Why countries are investing in BCI? This is more than just a competition between companies. It's a global technological arms race. The US, China, and Saudi Arabia are all pouring resources into BCI research, knowing that whoever dominates this field could control the future of human-computer interaction. BCIs have implications for healthcare, artificial intelligence, military technology, and even cognitive enhancement. Countries are investing in this technology not just for medical breakthroughs, but also for strategic dominance in the future of human augmentation. The future of BCIs. What's next? The BCI race is just beginning, and the next decade will be crucial. We could see mind-controlled devices, memory enhancement, and even direct AI-human communication become a reality. However, before BCIs become widely available, companies must prove their safety, effectiveness, and ethical viability. If successful, BCIs could revolutionize everything, from how we interact with technology to how we treat neurological disorders and even how we think. So, who is really leading the global BCI race? Will Neuralink maintain its dominance with its early advancements? Can Neuroscience prove its claims of superior technology? Or will Paradigmics, backed by Saudi Arabia's Neom, emerge as the unexpected leader? One thing is certain, this is a race that will shape the future of humanity. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in brain-computer interfaces and emerging technology. The future of the human mind is about to change forever.